So over here you can see that I have this particular shot right here, and you can see that this is a video right here. I have a composite shot and this is a video right here. So now over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize something called a set matte effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and take this text right here, and you can basically take any graphics over here. That may be an image or a shape or whatever that you want, but I'm going to go around and show an example as a text right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in a text right here as tube right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go around onto the text area right here, and then type in, let's say for example 300, just like this. Or let me just go around and select out the text right here and type in, let's say for example 300 over here, and this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and then change around the size even more. So let's just go around and make it 500 right here, or maybe let's say 600 right here. So let's make it larger, and then I'm going to go around and then let's say change around the text over here as well. So let's just go around and select out something like, let's say over here, a bolder text. So let me just go around and go to impact right here. So this is much more bold, as you can see. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So once this is done, you can see that there's two text layers. I'm just going to delete one right here. This is what I have, as you can see. Let me just go around onto transform right here and scale this out over here, just like this as well. So you can see that the text covers up this entire area right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then scale this down a bit over here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and utilize something called the set matte effect, so that the video actually plays on the text area right here. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select out this video clip right here, and then I'm going to go around under effects, and I'm just going to go around and type in matte right here. And you can see that set matte layer only is an option. So you can go around and click and drag it out right here on this particular video footage right here, just like this, and it has set matte applied to it, as you can see. So now what I can do is I can go around and then expand this out right here, just like this, the effect that is the set matte effect. And over here you can see that you can go around and select out the source layer. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on this and select out new text over here, just like this. Once you do that, it seems as if this particular layer is disappeared now. But if I were to go around and hide the top layer right here, now you can see that the video contents is over here. So when you're doing set matte, what is actually happening is that it is taking the alpha channel, the transparency details of this particular layer, and is being applied over here depending on the source layer that you selected. Over here you can see that there's the matte source, and you can select out different options as matte source right here, and right now you're selecting alpha right here, just like this, and that is what you have right here. And if I were to go around and press the play button right here, you can see that as I move around, you can see that the video actually goes around and plays in this particular layer right here. And if you were to go around and select this and move this up, you can see that this actually changes out. Let me just go around and delete this particular layer, and the source layer is none right here. And I can go around and utilize any media over here for that as well. So let's just go around and bring in this, and over here in source layer, let me select this out right here, just like this, and then disable this. So you can see that it only has the square area now. So you can go around right here and resize it, and you can see that it is only taking the square. But instead of alpha, you can take the red channel, and it takes the red channel alpha right here, just like this, as you can see. Similarly, you can go around and take the green channel right here. Then you can take the blue channel as well. And you can take the alpha right here. You can take the luminance channel, that is whatever is bright will be more opaque, as you can see from the footage. You can take out hue right here as well, so you can see that that is what you have right here. You can take the lightness, you can take the saturation where there's more saturation, that is how you see it. And you can go around for full right here, that is you don't actually get anything, or you can turn it off over here as well. So that is how you can go around and utilize other properties as well. You can also go around and subtract it or add it, as you can see right here, just like this, and then work around with the alpha matte over here. That means if you subtract it, then it'll subtract out the thing right here, and you can add right here or replace it out altogether. You can invert this out over here just like this as well, it's just like selecting subtract right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize the set matte effect to actually get the alpha channel from one layer and apply it in another inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.